Hey everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper, and today I have this. This is the LED Diamond Bead string lights, and this is going to be a huge reel of 1,000 LEDs. So this is going to be interesting for us to check out. I don't know if it's going to be able to focus on this thing instead of me, but it focuses on me. But we're going to check this thing out here. So let's open it up and see how it looks. I'm in my camper, so it's going to be interesting to see. But look how big this reel is. This is a huge wheel of lights. So I'm not sure how best to try this thing out. But I'm just going to plug it in here, and then we're going to just take a look at it and see how it looks. And then I'll try to put it up somewhere and do a picture of it with it up somewhere. But let's just check it out first. So you can see here, it's got the little connector and stuff, so you can plug in this nugget, and then it's got the little two-prong thing. So we got that for our power. I guess this is the converter that's going to make it 30 watts from whatever the electric is. So there, I'm plugged in. Now check this out. Look at all these colors and all these bulbs. This is going to be insane. And so this is how they look. So let me unroll a little bit of this so we can check out some of these colors here. I'm colorblind, so I'm not going to be too much use as far as telling you what colors these things are. But you can see there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 different colors, I guess. So I'm gonna guess blue. I don't know, these two look the same to me. I don't know if they are the same. Red, green, red, blue. Are there just a lot of reds? Or maybe one of these are different colors. I don't know what color they are. Yeah, tell me in the comments what colors these things are. So this is the number 1, and I'm gonna guess 1 is blue. I'm gonna guess number 2 is red. I'm gonna guess number 3 is green. And I'm gonna guess number 4 is red again. And then we're back to blue again. That would be my guess. So if I'm right or if I'm wrong, let me know. But it seems like that's what repeats over again. I don't know why it would repeat so many reds. So maybe these two are different colors from each other. I really don't know. But it's a huge reel of these things. I'm gonna guess this is 100 meters, because that's what it says on the thing. So 100 meters, that's like 300 feet. So this is gonna be like a whole football field length. So this can go, so you can string it all the way down the middle of a football field and light up the whole thing. So this is really sweet and really huge. If you're having it around your house, you could probably go around the eaves or something like that and just keep going around that. Go around and around and around. Have it go up and down all your windows in your house, and depending on how big your house is, you can just go around the whole perimeter or something. So it's pretty sweet. So I can't wait to go set this up at someone's house over Christmas here. So that'll be, right now it's still November, so be sure and get one of these before December. And for the price, it's totally great. I mean, you just get a whole huge set, and they don't get hot. You can see like even this whole reel here, if these were the old school lights, man, this thing would be burning up. And it'd be sucking up power too, and this thing's 30 watts. I mean, you could practically run this thing with a battery pack or something. But look at all these lights, and there's so many of them. There's 1,000 of them in there, so that's a lot of lights. So I guess that gives you 10 per meter. So every about 4 inches or so, you get 1 or 5 inches. So pretty cool. I like it. So thumbs up from me, and it seems really good. And I like the way it's got the little sparkles on them. I don't know if you can see. Maybe when I turn it off, you can see how it kind of looks here. But you can kind of see it in there. It's got a little design almost in the front where it's got all those little things, so it makes it look like a big sparkle. So it's not just a single beam of light, it's like a whole thing it puts out, a whole sparkle. So I like this thing. So link's going to be in the description for this, so be sure and pick up one of these. Links in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and pick up one of these. And if there's any kind of discount or something like that, I'll put that below too, so you guys can pick one of these things up. It's pretty sweet. I like it. So that's a lot of lights. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.